Hello, students. Now we come to the last segment of our Unit 1, that is the different types of market. How business operates in India and abroad. Because unless and until we don't know who are the players, we will not try to understand, or now we will not get the grasp of our business. And where marketing is expected, we'll only know when we know who are the players. So to understand who are the players, we have to understand what are the business, what are the market. So there are basically three types of market. One is B2B, one is B2C, and one is C2C. So to understand it in a better fashion, I will share a small video with you. Let's watch it, understand what it is, and then we'll continue our discussion further.
आप जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। दोस्तों, काइजन वर्ल्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम बात करने वाले B2B, B2C, C2B और C2C बिजनेस मॉडल की। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। B2B मीन्स बिजनेस टू बिजनेस मॉडल। यूजुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस इस मॉडल में आते हैं। ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी, मार्केटिंग एजेंट, रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर कंपनी हो सकती है। इसमें बिजनेसेस अपने प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज सेल करते हैं दूसरे बिजनेसेस। एग्जांपल, इंटेल एक अमेरिकन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी है जो प्रोसेसर बनाती है। इंटेल अपने प्रोसेसर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी लाइक एप्पल, लेनोवो, एचपी जैसी कंपनीज को सेल करती है। B2B में जो ट्रांजैक्शन होता है प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज का, वो दो बिजनेसेस के दरमियान होता है। B2C मींस बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर मॉडल। ये एक ट्रेडिशनल और मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप बिजनेस मॉडल है। ये एक रेस्टोरेंट, डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर एक्सेट्रा हो सकता है। इसमें बिजनेसेस अपने प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज डायरेक्टली कंज्यूमर को सेल करते हैं। एग्जांपल, अमेजॉन एक ई कॉमर्स मार्केट प्लेस है जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज डायरेक्टली कंज्यूमर्स को सेल करती है। C2B मींस कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस मॉडल। दिनों में ये मॉडल मार्केट में बहुत पॉपुलर है। इसमें कंज्यूमर अपने प्रोडक्ट्स, अपनी आइडियाज अदर बिजनेसेस को सेल करते हैं। एग्जांपल, गूगल वीडियो, अदर एनिमेशन वेब। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर कंज्यूमर अपना कंटेंट, आइडियाज बिजनेसेस को सेल करते हैं। C2C मींस कंज्यूमर टू कंज्यूमर मॉडल। इंटरनेट की वजह से ये मॉडल बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया है। इसमें एक कंपनी कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करती है दो या दो से ज्यादा इंडिविजुअल्स के जो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बाय या सेल करना चाहते हैं। एग्जांपल, OLX। OLX एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर कंज्यूमर्स अपने प्रोडक्ट्स सेल कर सकते हैं दूसरे कंज्यूमर्स को, और दूसरे कंज्यूमर्स से प्रोडक्ट बाय भी कर सकते हैं। C2C में जो प्रोडक्ट का ट्रांजैक्शन होता है वो दो कंज्यूमर्स के दरमियान होता है। दोस्तों, जो B2B और C2B मॉडल है उसमें बिजनेसेस को टारगेट किया जाता है, और जो B2C और C2C मॉडल है उसमें कंज्यूमर्स को टारगेट किया जाता है। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। Do you know what will happen if you read one book?
So in this small video, you understood what is B2B, what is B2C, C2B, and C2C. Now, these are two balanced approaches. One where the target is business, and a second is the target is consumer. Now, for example, you go to a smart bazaar. Smart bazaar is a mall where you get all the types of products. You are a consumer. So now, as a student, tell me, is it not consumer important to run that smart bazaar? Can it run on their own? No. So the emphasis to run a smart bazaar depends all on the consumers. So when we talk about business B2C, we have to consider consumers more important. When I talk about C2C, their consumers are the players. You don't have to talk about that much when you talk about C2C. C2C means I design a product, it goes to another customer who is a businessman. He wants to buy my design. It's C2C. Now, what is prominent is B2B. Business to business is the most popular type of market. Now, obviously, as a student, you might think why I should learn all these things, why I should learn about the market. The fundamental of business depends upon in which market you are running or you are functioning. For example, I am working in a stock market and I doesn't know about stock, then you might not survive. As the say goes, students, that survival of the fittest. If you are not fit for a particular type of business or you are not aware about stock market, how you are going to survive? That's why so many classes have been opened to understand what is stock market, how it functions. There is an enhancement also in this student where you are using AI in running a trade. Now the trading accounts are linked with AI software, which automatically runs your shares in the market and gets you profit. And they are promising 5% always, lifelong. It's a huge amount. So, as a student, you must know what is market. Business to business. Now, railways are there. Railways want to manufacture their train. For manufacturing train, they require steel. So what they do? They buy steel from Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, uses that steel in their own product. So this is sale to railway supply of product, that is B2B. Now, why I gave this example? Because in B2B transaction, there's a huge amount of transaction. It's a huge order. The order ranges from 60 to 100 to 200 to 2,000 crores sometimes. Now, for example, again, we are selling our defense equipments from DRDO to many countries. Each costs 200 crores, 300 crores. Each transaction is sometimes 3,000 crores. Is it not huge? It is B2B. Why? Because that country requires my product. Here, consumer, who is the consumer? That country. But they are also running a business. There, some vendor will be there. He will buy from me and give it to the final consumer, those who are using that equipment. So majority of business happens B2B. Majority. Then second is B2C, as I have already told, that smart bazaar is there, retail shop is there, ice cream parlor is there, makeup, ready-made apparels are there. You go anywhere to buy a product. So that's the basic market that you must know as a student of marketing or student of business administration. Now here, today, I will be stopping. I hope that you understood what is B2B, what is B2C, what is C2C. For any query, you can call me. My name is Dr. Subramaniam, and keep watching the class of Fundamentals of Marketing Management. Thank you.